Hi, welcome back to my channel. First of all, before getting into today's unboxing, I just wanted to talk a little bit about why do I have this channel, why I started it. I'm not a YouTuber by any means, and I wasn't into bags except this year. Like this year I started going back to Coach and noticing, learning about the different leathers, different bag types and what's not. It just, this last year had been, it had been quite tough. Like all the world was locked up for month and month at a time, and some people can shop, some people can't, some people can't even get out of the house. And I think just taking 5 or 10 minutes out of your day to watch something that you don't have to think about or worry about, or just watch something you like. You like bags, you're watching a video about bags, someone unboxing a bag, and just something to get your mind off things. I think I hope I don't get many views at all, but I hope even if I helped just one person to like a mom to just take like 5-10 minutes out of her day and feel better, feel sane, I think that would make me so happy. So just wanted to throw this out. I'm not a YouTuber, and I hope I'm doing something nice for you today. Anyways, today we have I don't know how to pronounce it. I've seen people butcher the name left and right, so I'm gonna do it as well. So we have the troupe Kaffe Fassett. I wanna say Kaffe Fassett. Hey, it's this bag. It's this bag right here, okay? So again, I hope I'm not butchering the name. The Kaffe Fassett was like a very famous artist, and the roses things is just that's the famous part, or the famous patterns. And Coach had multiple bags and multiple styles with this one, and they just look so pretty. I mean, the flowers, the patterns, they're just gorgeous. And here it is. Good thing they packed this one really well. I remember getting, first of all, I love the troupe bag even without the gorgeous flower patterns. I remember getting the first one I got was actually as a birthday present, and as much as I love the whole black box with the brown ribbon and what's not, here's the 1941 dust bag here. The handles were, because the box wasn't big enough for the bag, the handles were bent like that. So you open the bag and it's not straight like this, it's bent like that. And it was just a beautiful bag, but I don't know, I didn't like, when I pay that much money for a bag, I don't want to wait and see for the for whether the handles will go back to what it's supposed to look like. But it was just like, I don't know. And I ordered it from the Coach.com site and not the Coach outlet site, and paid more than what I paid later for my second troupe. And the one from the outlet site came perfectly packaged. I know, I mean, the box wasn't as beautiful, but the bag was perfect, and this is what important. I'm not buying the box, I'm buying the bag, right? This was just kind of funny. Okay. Okay. Look at this beauty. Of course, this is the, I don't want to pull that hard. This is the crossbody. It's just like your regular black one. I never carry those as crossbodies. The Troupe bags are quite, it's not a small bag, so I rarely wear them crossbodies, so this would probably just stay in the closet. And here is the, it's all pebbled leather, as you can see, all pebbled. Not all Troupe bags has pebbled leather. My first one was actually all glove tan smooth leather. It was beautiful, but it's super delicate, you know, with the glove tan leather it can scratch easy. Now let's get the handles. Okay, come on now. Oh, even the handles are, they have the pattern, like the handles have the flower pattern as well. It's not, I thought it's gonna be solid, but, and it's even pebbled leather. Let me try to get this. It's pebbled as well, with the pattern all around. And here is, oh, look at that, the coach tag has the pattern as well, and it's pebbled. The other side is smooth and it's black. Look at that. On the inside, for those of you who don't know, the Troupe is actually one big compartment on the inside. Fits most everything that you want to throw in there. Yeah, I have a tablet in here. Let me try to put it inside. See? Of course, it's not as clicky as it should be, because it's gonna take some time until it clicks together, because it was wrapped and shipped and all of this nice stuff. But look at that. You can't even tell that there is an iPad inside, sunglasses, a full-size wallet, anything you can put in there. As a quick comparison to mine, here it is. This one, I use this a lot. Like, I didn't think I'm gonna use it that much, but I use this one a lot. Like, I have to remind myself to switch bags when I'm holding this one. Just a stunner, and elevates whatever outfit you're wearing immediately. Such a lady-like, very unique, very different silhouette. Such a beautiful bag. And for this one it's different because you have here the pebbled leather, you have here the snakeskin. On the bottom it's smooth leather, and the handles are also smooth leather. So the Troupe comes in different leathers and patterns, as we can see. Just one more look. It has feet, of course. I never thought that this would be a bag that I would carry that much, but I did, and I do. And it holds a lot, but I don't like to fill it up that much because of the, I always carry it in the nook of my arm, and you know, I don't want it to be super heavy. Again, you have to keep in mind that it's not fully like it doesn't have a zipper on the inside, it just closes magnetically, like I just showed you. That. Oh, here you go. And you can also you have this little button here that you can just for extra, but the magnet is usually enough for me. But again, it's not fully zipped, it doesn't have like an inside zipper or more closure than this one. Just something to keep in mind. Again, here is the colors and the pattern of this beautiful coach troupe. Even the bottom part have the pattern in there. Such a beautiful bag. Yeah, I don't have anything more to say. I think I'm curious to know, because I've had like I've always wondered how the snake skin is gonna hold up. I've never had this type of skin on any of my bags before, so this is gonna be new for me. But I think for pebbled leather, I mean, oops, okay, here goes the bag. For pebbled leather, it just, you can't go wrong with pebbled leather. It's not as scratchy or scratchable as the smooth glove tan leather. It's easy to take care of, not like, I'm not sure what to do even with the snakeskin one, but I'm pretty sure it needs extra attention that I'm not giving. But for this one, it's a no-brainer. You just it's reliable. It's a reliable bag. It's beautiful, chic, elegant. Loves the silhouette of the bag. It's very different. The closure is very different, and this tag is just adorable. I mean, with the pattern on it, the pebbling, very unique. If you're one who like to switch tags, maybe you can put this in one of your old black bags or something, for just a little bit of color. It's just beautiful. Some people added the Kaffe Fassett strap that hit the outlet stores, I want to say 2-3 months ago. I can't remember when exactly, but some people added the crossbody strap or the novelty strap to this one. But again, I don't like to carry this as a crossbody. I just carry it in the nook of my arm. Anyways, this is it. Just wanted to give you a closer look. If you've ordered it from the outlet side and haven't received it yet, here is your chance to take a look before it comes. If you ever wondered about it, again, here's the pattern. And I hope you're having a wonderful day, and see you next time.